Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payout method on your Airbnb account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now you will first need to switch into hosting mode. So tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on switch to hosting. Once you have switched to hosting mode, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on settings. Now within the settings page, you will find the payments and payouts option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now underneath hosting, you will find the payout methods option. Go ahead and tap on it once again, and now you can click on the add payout method option in order to add one into your account. Once you click on this, you will be asked to choose your country or region. After choosing your country or region, you will find the various options by which you can receive payment. Choose your desired method and then click on the continue button. And if you choose Pioneer, you will be asked to choose your account owner and then continue with your credentials. After you log into your Pioneer card by entering all of your account information, this payout method will be verified and it will be added as your payout method right away. You can also use international wire transfer and then tap on the continue button, and you will now be asked to enter the details of your bank. Finally, you will need to enter your bank name followed by the payee as well as the account number. Then enter the bank code as well as the branch code followed by the SWIFT BIC code. You can then enter your address as well as other personal details and then click on the submit button. And after this information has been verified, your payment method will appear within your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payout method within your account on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.